Let's get learning. It's a giraffe. Giraffe begins with the letter G. G is for giraffe. G. G. And it's yellow with brown markings. H is for horse. Say it with me. Horse. This horse is the colour black. It's a black horse. Z is for zebra. Say it with me. Zebra. Zebras are white with black stripes. A black and white zebra. M is for macaw. Say it with me. Macaw. Macaws are birds. A macaw begins with the letter M, and it's blue, yellow and green. A 3-colour macaw. What a pretty bird. L is for lion. Say it with me. Lion. And this is a yellow lion. W is for white tiger. Say it with me. White tiger. This tiger is the colour white with black stripes across its body. A white tiger. P is for parrot. Say it with me. Parrot. This parrot is red, yellow and blue. What a colourful little parrot. K is for cheetah. Say it with me. Cheetah. Cheetahs are yellow with black spots. Cheetah. G is for gorilla. Say it with me. Gorilla. G. G. Gorillas are black. R is for rhino beetle. Say it with me. Rhino beetle. It's orange with brown markings. An orange rhino beetle. Bzz, bzz, bzz. What is that I can hear? It's a bee. B begins with the letter B. B. B is for bee. And bees are orange or yellow with black stripes. T is for tiger. Say it with me. Tiger. Tigers are orange with black stripes. K is for koala. Say it with me. Koala. People also call these koala bears. Mummy koala bear, baby koala bear. It's mom and baby. Grey as well. They are the colour grey. 2 koala bears. M is for mammoth. Say it with me. Mammoth. Mammoths are extinct. That means they are no longer around. They used to have big massive tusks and one of the largest animals in the world. Much bigger than elephants. D is for dog. Say it with me. Dog. Do you have a dog in your house? Write in the comments its name. Woof 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 woof. L is for lion. Say it with me. Lion. And this isn't a male lion, it's a female lion. And it's yellow. A yellow lioness. It's a lioness, guys, which means it's a girl lion. E is for elephant. Say it with me. Elephant. Elephants are the colour grey. R is for rat. Say it with me. Rat. It's a black rat. T is for tortoise. Say it with me. Tortoise. Tortoise begins with the letter T, which is pronounced T. T. P is for penguin. Say it with me. Penguin. P. P. It's black, white and yellow. A colourful penguin. D is for donkey. Say it with me. Donkey. D. D. It's grey and white. A grey and white donkey. P is for pig. It's a pig. Say it with me. Pig.
Oink, 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 oink.
D is for dromedary camel. Say it with me. Dromedary camel. It's a little bit harder, that one, isn't it? Dromedary camel. Dromedary means it only has one hump. This camel has one hump. T is for toucan. Say it with me. Toucan. Toucan. It's black, white, orange and yellow. A colourful toucan bird. It's a snake. Snake begins with the letter S. S. Say it with me. Snake. Snake. And this snake is black with white stripes. A black and white snake. S is for saber-toothed tiger. Say it with me. Saber-toothed tiger. These are no longer around, guys. They're extinct, just like the mammoth and the dodo. Yellow. D is for dog. Say it with me. Dog. D. D. And it's grey and white. A grey and white dog. I is for indica. Say it with me. Indica. Their long name is Viverricula indica, but it's very hard to say. Viverricula. It has spots as its markings and a line all the way down its back. An indica. T is for tiger. Say it with me. Tiger. T. T. Boing, boing, boing. It's a kangaroo. Say it with me. Kangaroo. K. K. Kangaroos keep their babies in their pouches while they are growing. Kangaroo. Boing, 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 boing. R is for rhino. Say it with me. Rhino. These are also called rhinoceroses. And this is a baby rhino. And this is a mummy rhino. A big mummy rhino, and it's grey. A grey rhino. And it has a horn upon its nose. Boom, boom, boom. A strong rhino. M is for mouse. Say it with me. Mouse. This mouse is white. A little white mouse. Squeak, 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 squeak. This is a hippopotamus. Say it with me. Hippopotamus. And this one is either very tired or very hungry. Feed me. I think he wants to go to sleep, don't you? I'm so tired. A is for armadillo. Say it with me. Armadillo. These are very small and remind me of rats. They scurry along the floor. L is for lemur. Say it with me. Lemur. They have long black and white tails and an orangey sort of body. A lemur. D is for deer. Say it with me. Deer. Deers live in the forest. They have spots on their bodies and antlers. It's a deer. A is for anteater. Say it with me. Anteater. They have very long snouts so they can get ants out of the ground and dig inside. Yum yum, yummy ants. An anteater. Boing, boing, boing. A kangaroo. Kangaroo begins with K. K. And this kangaroo is grey and white. A grey and white kangaroo. Boing, boing, boing. Boing, boing, boing. Yahoo! M is for monkey. Say it with me. Monkey. This monkey has a fluffy white beard. A fluffy bearded monkey. Oh, ah, ah, ah. More mom and babies. Mommy chimpanzee, baby chimpanzee, two chimpanzees, and they are black. Black chimpanzees. It's a raccoon. Say it with me. Raccoon. It's black and white with a stripy tail. R is for raccoon. R. R. A raccoon. T is for tiger. Say it with me. Tiger. It's orange with black stripes and a very big roar. K is for cow. Say it with me. Cow. Cows live on the farm. O is for ostrich. Say it with me. Ostrich. Ostriches are birds. R is for robin. Say it with me. Robin. Robins are birds as well. Tweet, 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 tweet. Tweet, 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 tweet. P is for penguin. Say it with me. Penguin. P, 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 p. It's a funny penguin. It's black and white with an orange beak. A happy penguin. It's a horse. Say it with me. Horse. Horse begins with the letter H. H. B is for bear. The letter B. B. Say it with me. Bear. This is a brown bear. An elephant. Say it with me. Elephant. E is for elephant. Mommy elephant. Baby elephant. 2 elephants. B is for beaver. Say it with me. Beaver. L is for lizard. L. L. R is for reindeer. Say it with me. Reindeer. Reindeer have large antlers. A reindeer. P is for polar bear. Say it with me. Polar bear. This is a dancing polar bear. Polar bear. The letter P. F is for frog. Say it with me. Frog. This frog is the colour green. Green. A green frog. Thanks for learning with me, guys. See you again next time.
Ribbit, 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 ribbit.